Lot number 158 is a 2006 Ford E-450 Bluebird Handy Bus. This one is missing all 4 rear wheels. So keep that in mind when it's time to pick it up. It's missing all 4 rear wheels. It only has the 2 front ones and they look fair. Unable to start it. It sounds like it's not getting enough power, but it may have a bad starter. Mechanical condition is unknown and it's being sold as is. It's missing the wipers. The body looks straight. Paint looks faded. It's got very minor dings and dents all around. It shows normal wear and tear. Looks like parts have been pulled off. Here, the wiper arms are gone. And I don't know if anything else may be missing, but I know they pulled off all 4 rear wheels. It's been sitting here for a while, so they start picking parts off of them. Let me show you inside. I'll hit the key so you can hear what it does. Everything lights up normal and it tries to start. It just sounds like not enough power. It's got 111,000 miles, 6.0 liter diesel engine. The interior appears to be complete and it looks like it's in good shape, just needs a good cleaning. It's got the rear AC and wheelchair lift. Working conditions are unknown. Tinted windows. The interior looks good. It just needs to be cleaned. Let me walk around the other side. Front fender's dented, just noticed. Paint peeled and it's got surface rust. It's in a tight spot and it's got no wheels. Rear bumper looks good. No damage back here. Alright, so that's it. This may be good for parts, may be fixable. I don't know. Mechanical condition is unknown. It's lot number 158. Good luck.